Hello, my name's Ross Williams, and welcome to RoboGrinder. Follow me. I'll meet you inside. So RoboGrinder, being a 55-person team at Virginia Tech, we are located in two areas, one downstairs and one upstairs. So follow me to see what action is happening downstairs. So RoboGrinder is divided up into 7 different projects: Engineer, Hero, Infantry, Sentry, Missile, Radar, and then our CV project, Auto Aim / Big Buff. Here today, you can see a few of our members working on Sentry. They're most likely PID tuning the robot right now. So feel free to take a look. So down here, we primarily house our infantry, our sentry robot, drone, and engineering robots. Now we can go upstairs to show you the rest of our robots. Now, as we go upstairs, you can see our amazing staircase of parts of shame, all the way from epoxy carbon fiber to burnt out motors due to some screws to horribly designed drone cages that took 2 weeks to build. So yes, in short, RoboGrinder fails a lot. Alright, feel free to follow me upstairs. And as we're a month away from competition, I must apologize for the mess. However, building robots, it does get a little messy. So right away, you may see our team mascot, this little mannequin up here. And probably you see a lot of our robots. So yeah, this is RoboGrinder Space. Being 55 members, we have members from all over the world. So we like to hang flags up from our different nationalities. We are a pretty large family. Well, thank you so much for coming to visit the warehouse. I hope to see you soon. And most importantly, best of luck during competition. See you then.